Got 3 more minutes for some finance with your finance baddie? Come on, come on. Part 2. What are retained earnings? Being presented by Black Girl Magic Masters LLC. You already know we are trying to save this whole motherfucking universe. One person at a time if we have to, because we're on a mission to restore our people and community financially. Period, point blank. Now, if you recall, in part 1, in the last video, we were talking about the financial operating cycle and the income statement and the balance sheet. Again, the two most important documents in a business, small business owner. Now listen, you recall that the income statement is also your profit and loss statement, right? From past videos that I taught you about the income statement, and okay, maybe not. This is also known as your Schedule C when you're doing your taxes. Now listen, I need you to remember that every sale you make costs you something, and it is called the cost of goods sold. This shows up on your income statement as salary, payroll, taxes, advertising, utilities, depreciation, accounting, etc., etc., etc. Now, what's left over is called net profits after tax, or just profits, my dear small business owners. Now, let's review the balance sheet, but we're going to do it in halves. As you recall from past videos, the balance sheet can be split into two, the top half and the bottom half. Now, let's review. The top half of the balance sheet represents your sales and assets that you use to make the sales. Okay? Like you need a building, a vehicle, some office furniture, equipment, inventory, etc., etc., etc. The bottom half of the balance sheet is how you pay for those assets that helped you generate the sales. Basically, you had to pay back your accounts payables, like the mortgage and shit you bought on credit, right? All right. Okay, now that we're caught back up. How retained earnings are calculated. See, retained earnings are calculated by subtracting the company's dividends and expenses from its net income. See, they represent the company's profits that are reinvested. Now, that's the operative word here. Reinvested back into the business. Oh, shit. We are at the end of it. All right. See y'all in part 3, the next video. Yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. We ran out of little time.